Hi everyone. The dogs are snoring actually, so you will hear them. I'm going to do a review on. It is Salon Selectives Reparation, Damage Repair, Hair Treatment, leave-in conditioner. So it comes in this little thing, and I actually picked it up at the 99-cent store. So I hope you guys can hear because the audio has been pretty weird with this computer. And if I touch anything, it's going to stop the video. So hopefully I'm speaking loud enough. If not, I'm sorry. So I picked it up at the 99-cent store, and it's amazing. I wash my hair normally, with shampoo, and then I put in maybe a little scoop into my hair, and then I put on my regular conditioner. I use the Garnier coconut, vanilla and coconut one. So sorry. Anyway, and I leave it on for the rest of my I wash and I do all that, and for the remainder I leave it in with the conditioner. Then I rinse it out, and when I'm done with everything, and my hair is so soft. I'm not even joking with you. This stuff you would not think, because it's from the 99 cents or whatever. Not that I'm knocking the 99 cents or that it would actually do what it's supposed to, and it does. So I just have my hair up today, and it's been a few days since I washed it. But as you can see, okay, so here is when I bleached it. All of this broke. So as you can see, the rest of my hair is longer, and this is shorter. Yeah, but it's actually made my hair really, really soft, stronger. It doesn't break as much. So every now and then, I'm watching The Wizard of Oz, and that little, not The Wizard of Oz, the guy with the wizard. I forget her name. Anyway, I forget the name of it. But the little doll, the little blonde doll, she's so cute. Anyway, so yeah, I would definitely recommend it. It's actually making my hair grow pretty fast. I mean, no. There is nothing that will make your hair grow faster than it already does. Nothing. You can fix it, growing any thicker or whatever, but you can never actually make it grow any faster. But as you can see, it is growing in. It used to be really, really short. As you can see, all of this was up to here. So it is growing. I try not to straighten it as much as I used to. And I use this a lot. There's some other things I use in my hair. I use Chi, I use Bio Silk. Yeah, right after I wash it though. And I don't put anything else in it. So maybe a little hairspray every now and then. But yeah. Other than that, nothing. Oh, honestly, I think I hear somebody coming in the front door. Okay, so anyway, I highly recommend this to anybody, and you can pick it up at your local Family Dollar or Dollar Tree or whatever. And yeah, so that's that. It's called Salon Selectives. Anyway, it's called Salon Selectives hair damage repair hair treatment. It's a leave-in. You leave it in for 3 minutes, and then you. So if you have tried this product, let me know in the comments below. And if you are going to try it, let me know. Okay. And lovely nails. I hope you all have a great Easter. And if you don't celebrate Easter, I hope you have a great day. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Hey guys, I forgot totally to tell you what was in this, so I'm going to read the instructions. I'm sorry I ended the other video prematurely. Okay, so it's sulfate free. It has argan oil in it, and vitamin E and oh, I'm spreading in Spanish. Vitamin E. So I'll show you the front. See, argan oil. Vitamin E. It also has. I can't even see. Oh my god. Also has. I can't even see the back. See how small it is? I can't read that, even with my glasses. But it really does do its for what it says it's going to do. What is with this hair? I wish this would grow. Yeah, it really doesn't do what it's supposed to do. It makes your hair softer, more manageable, I guess you could say. My hair's not that long. You can see when it's in a ponytail. And even oh, look, who's that? Who's that puppy? Girl. Who's that? Who's that puppy? Who's that? Okay. Anyway, there's my dog Hope. So yeah, so it has argan oil in it, vitamin E. It does wonders for your hair, but you have to leave it in for 3 minutes. Okay, and I kind of remembered that I didn't tell you what was in it, and I'll actually show it to you guys. You get a nice amount for the price. It only cost me like $1, so I picked up 3 of them. Okay, so again, also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's rockstarnokoi, ROCKSTARNOKOI. And if you haven't already, subscribe below. And again, if you have tried the product, leave a message. If you leave a comment. And if you are planning on it, then definitely also leave a comment. And you can see how different my face looks without these ridiculous glasses. So yeah, leave a review for me to read. If you have any questions or comments or whatever, you can either leave them below or you can send them to me in a message on YouTube. I will try hard to answer all questions every single time I record a video. See you guys. Bye.